In this video, we'll be discussing the top blockchain development courses that you'd be needing for your journey in 2022. I was myself selected for a GSOC program in 2019 under CC Extractor, where I had to build Poor Man's Recognition, which was basically the poor man's version of Amazon Recognition. Based on my experience and user reviews, these are the best program that I could find online for blockchain development. So keep watching this video so that you can have a more precise idea where to start. Hello everyone, my name is Faz and I'm the founder of Inshan Corporation, and you are watching free courses series blockchain development part. There is so much emphasis on blockchain development. They are required in every field as of now: healthcare, real estate, etc. All of these sectors are very keen to learn blockchain and adopt them. The VCs are also pouring in a lot of investment in this section. There could not be a better time to learn blockchain development than this, and there is no better way to start this blockchain development course. And the top 8 free blockchain development courses are: number 1 is Blockchain Theory 101. This is the great introductory course for blockchain development. Anyone who wants to learn about blockchain technology can join this course for free. In this course, you will learn about blockchain development, including contents like what are smart contracts, what are blockchain, what are ledger, and so on. The instructor is also an author of a famous book, Blockchain Blueprint for a New Economy, which means he has very good knowledge about blockchain. The current status of blockchain technology in each application like logistics, healthcare, energy, IoT. In this course, you will learn about all of this and how to develop an app on that. The second in the list is Blockchain Fundamentals. This is another free course for blockchain developers for businesses and real world use perspective. In this free course, you will learn how blockchain can make an impact in the real world. This course is usually preferred by corporate practitioners. This free blockchain crash course is very well structured. It's like 1 lesson a day, 5 days in a week, 15 minutes each day. This blockchain course is also well respected by all the institutional practitioners like in IBM, Cognizant, Cisco, and so on. If you want to join the blockchain environment and gain valuable knowledge, then definitely this course is designed for you. Do check it out, and you should join it without any hesitation. Now the third one in the list is Blockchain Fundamentals. This is an awesome course which provides a vast amount of information around blockchain like smart contract deployment, and this is from Pluralsight side. In this course, you will learn Ethereum blockchain, smart contracts development, and how to create your own private network. This course is also very hands-on, as you will learn to produce apps as well, which also makes it very easy to follow the course. After learning the basic, you can build a fully functional dApp. Your sampled application is distributed application that ensures a secure and trustworthy network. Now the fourth one in the list is Blockchain Basics by Coursera. This is considered to be one of the most important course in blockchain development. It is actually the first course on blockchain specialization that provides a broad overview of the blockchain technology. In this blockchain course offered by the University of Buffalo and University of New York, you will learn about a decentralized peer-to-peer network and an immutable distributed ledger and the trust model that defines the blockchain. This course will teach you the basic components about blockchain like transaction block header chain, its operation like verification, validation, underlying algorithm, and essential of trust like hard fork and soft fork. The concept includes hashing and cryptography, indispensable to blockchain programming, which is the focus of 2 subsequent specialization courses, smart contracts and decentralized app. Now the fifth one in the list is Ethereum Development Course. This is good practical course to begin your journey with Ethereum blockchain development, where you will learn how to create a hello world program. This course is designed for developers who are beginning their journey with Ethereum blockchain development, who want to test their skills with the basic practical knowledge and move to more advanced courses and much more. If you want to learn more about Ethereum, you can also join more comprehensive course like Ethereum Development Fundamental. This course teaches Ethereum blockchain development in great detail. Now the sixth one in the list is Blockchain Principles and Practices. This is another awesome course on blockchain by Pluralsight, which provides an overview of how this technology works, and also Ethereum and Bitcoin or other providers. In this course, you will start with fundamental data structure and algorithm used to build a typical blockchain and a working example within this course. First, you will learn how to store a single transaction in a block, and later on you will learn how to store multiple simple transaction in a block. After that, you will also learn how to make the blockchain tamper-proof through mining and proof of work. And finally, you will learn how nodes on the blockchain maintain consensus. After completing this course, you will have the knowledge and experience to develop your own blockchain. By the way, this Pluralsight site is not exactly free, but you can find a lot of free courses on this site. You will need to pay Pluralsight membership, but there is 10-day free sign up that you can use. Now the next one in the list is Blockchain Technology by EDX. This is a great course to learn blockchain on EDX. It is developed by Blockchain at Berkeley and faculty from UC Berkeley, Premier Computer Science Department. This course provides a wide overview of many of the topics relating to and building upon the fundamental of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. You will learn a formal definition of distributed consensus and foundation topics such as cap theory and so on. You will also learn various enterprise level blockchain development and implementation such as at JP Morgan, Ripple, Tendermint and so on, including the industry usage of ICOs and the increasing regulations surrounding blockchain. And the last one is Introduction to Cryptocurrency. Introduction to Cryptocurrency and Blockchain. This course is majorly towards crypto. This course is more interesting to all those who get excited through the news of crypto and the rapid rising of their prices. Well, there is nothing wrong with that. Most of us only get to know about blockchain because of those rising prices. This course will teach you about blockchain by explaining cryptocurrency first, which will help you to understand how blockchain itself works and how it is different from the traditional model of transaction. Now that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel where we continuously bring this kind of content, and if you have any suggestion, please mention that in the comment and we will try to cover that. Don't forget to join our Discord server where we are trying to aggregate all this lead and make it available for you in a single place. We are also trying to build a freelancing community, so you are always welcome. That's it from my side, guys. Thank you and have a great day.